Having a birthday party? Themed birthday parties are a big trend right now, so why not make it personal? Kids love their names on everything. This is why I made my Cupcakes and Balloons and matching borders editable. This set includes edible cupcakes and balloons, along with matching borders for your walls or whatever you're decorating. These creative cupcakes can be used as cutouts and can also be applied for any decorations in your classroom, walls, bulletin boards, doors, windows, desks, or all over your rooms. Bring your bulletin board to life. Make your kids smile when they see their name on your board. These cupcakes are so great. You can create them in small sizes. These cupcakes edibles, also as cutouts, are easy to edit on Adobe, then print on cardstock. Remember, you can have a local print shop print them out for you, and you don't have to worry about a thing. These cutouts can be reusable if you're laminating them. Attractive, adorable appearances. These cupcakes are bright colors and designed perfectly with that party in mind. When I was making these big cupcakes and huge balloons, I wanted vivid colors. I wanted your kids to be attracted to the bulletin boards or whatever you're sticking them on. Hey, it's somebody's birthday, right? Everybody loves colors. Make learning fun with lots of colors, I always say. Thanks for stopping by and checking out my birthday edible balloon, cupcakes, and borders. See you next time. Bye-bye.